Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add text above and below an arrow in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add text and above and below an arrow. Now going to the firstly insert one option, then click. Now click for shape option. Now select from arrow. Now draw a arrow shape. Now click for one option, then click. Now click for select from a shape fill color. Now select from any color. Now you can see arrow text above and below. Now going to the home menu option, then click. Now select from draw text box. Now draw text box. Now type a text. This text from now you can see this text box. Now click for mouse right button option, then click for copy, and then click from arrow below. Now say click for mouse right button, then click from paste. Now move from the arrow below option, now position. That it's. Now you can see add text above and below in arrow in publisher document is very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.